Hello everyone, my name is Prashant and I am from CNC Web World. I work as a business development manager at CNC Web World. I would like to give you the brief detail about that CNC Web World. CNC Web World is a group of company where we work in software development, software training, robotics, and film and television academy. So briefly, CNC Web World is a training center, CNC Web Technologies Development Center, and we have a Bormont is a robotics, and CNC Stagecraft is a film and television academy. We have branches in Pune, Swargat, Kothur, Harapsar, also Vimannagar and Dangachok, and in Mumbai we have in Nerul, and Nagpur we have in Nandanvan. But due to COVID, we have already started online training last more than 1 year, and it's going good. So that's why we are going to start the franchisee for the offline as well as online. So and thank you so much for your interest and you want to work with us. So that's why I'll just give you brief detail about that. So this is the kind of eligibility. So if you are eligible, then we can go ahead with that. So first we understand why CNC Web World franchisee do you need and why you should work with us. So step by step, quickly I can give you. CNC Web World have more than 12 years of experience in this field, and we have a flexible business model. What is means of flexible business model? Suppose you have budget of 1 lakh, 2 lakhs, 5 lakhs, 10 lakhs or 25 lakhs plus whatever you have budget. According to budget, we can customize your training center and branches, or we can customize your courses. So as per our experience, so we can work accordingly. Next part, like this is the very few institute done with that. The system is automated system. What is system is automated means, suppose some inquiry is getting to us, we directly without any manual effort they will get the emails, they will get SMS, and they will get the course details. So generally what happen, people they inquire now and he will get the details after like sometimes or till evening or tomorrow morning, and he will get a call from counselor or HR afterwards. So that's not happen with us. We have all the system is automated. So this is the most important part of the business. Apart from that, this is the part of the counseling and lead. But when we consider about the preparations like interview preparations, software skills training, also we have a system in automated system. So when we sit together, if you're interested, then in that case we can discuss about that what kind of automated system we have for our in-house students. Earlier we had a tie-up with our companies in Pune and Mumbai and Nagpur, as we had a branch in here only. But after COVID, we have started training all over India. So now we have started partnered with all over India companies. So we have approx more than 1200 companies, and our placement, we have a dedicated placement team. So he will he will connect with all the ITs companies, and so we have more than 1200 partners for the placement. So and our placement ratio is also is very good. If you consider normal certification training, approx 70 to 80% people they get placed, but some person they are doing in still training, that is duration is approx 6 months, then our placement ratio is more than 90%. So this is biggest report we are generally auditing and we are giving, because what we understand why the any franchisee business failed, because they don't track that solutions, result, reports. So how we do, suppose you have started from day one. So every 1 week you will get connected with the business development manager with franchisee owner. So how many admissions happen, how counseling happen, where is loophole, why people are not taking admissions, and what kind of the quality we are giving, where we are lacking. So every week we had a meetings and we can discuss about that and we can move ahead. So this is the biggest part where we are providing hand holding support. So it's not like just you have taken the franchisee from our side and now everything you have to do by yourself. Each and every system, every training, every solutions given by me step by step. Next, If first of all we will start with the offline business, so you have to set up one office, but if you are doing well, then we can add in online as well. So here you can get a more revenue, because there you don't have only one place that you can get earn a business. We have other setup also, so same office you can get the online business. So there is two options to generate a revenue, online offline. Next, we have a auto follow-up system that I have already explained you, and for our career guidance solution. Basically, this is the concept of ourselves. Most of the students, they are looking for some course. For example, some students, they are looking for, I want to do Java course, but we don't prefer like you want to do directly Java. First understand why you have to do Java. So our career expert, they will guide the students, depend the academics, depend the communication skills, depend what exactly they will get a job or not. So this is the way how we counsel the people, how we guide the students, and then we provide a best course for them, and afterwards they will learn, so they will get a placement easy. So I have seen the most of the institute or training center, what they do, people, they are coming with this course. Okay, this is the course, this is discount, you can take admission and you will get a job. So this is not exactly practically implemented, and people they will get, because we don't understand this people's caliber. So first we have to understand the caliber. According to that, we can explain what is the best course for them, and we will train them, and then we can place them. So this is our way of the training and the placements. So that's why our placement ratio is above better than the other institute. It's briefly I just keep you the role and responsibility, because some of the franchisee owner are not able to understand what is our role and responsibility. Just I have given means when you start, when we talk, then I will give you all the documentation, you can read the documentation. So in this presentation I'll just give you what is our responsibility and what is your responsibility. So just quickly we can check checklist. The first is when we start the first time, so we will provide you training to your trainer. For example, you for Java developer, so our Java developer will give you training to your Java developer. Like you have to hire someone, and we will give you training, and they will provide a training to the students. So that's it. Training part is yes means we will provide you, no means no, means you don't have to take care of that. Placement assistance. Placements is completely centralized, so we will take care of the placements. You no need to worry about it. Just you have to focus on your campus technical training. Interview preparations is also taken care by us. Resume preparations is also taken care by us. Mock interview sessions generally we conduct in month 2 or 3, so that is also taken care by us. Then soft skills training weekly in a day. Mostly we do the JD and the soft skills training, so that is taken care of as. Certification, we have to provide a certification of the CNC waiver to all the students, so that is taken care of as. So what is this is our responsibility, what we will do after we can connect and we can sign up with us. So when we start working together, so what is your responsibility? So when we start, then you have to pay the premises deposit, rent, staff salary, office expenses, that is yours. And marketing, this is the flexible, we have to do some online, we have to do some offline. Other branches, if suppose we do some kind of marketing in all over Pune, so in that case all the center heads, they can share the marketing budget, so that also we can do. So we can discuss on later when we can go ahead with that. So in that case we can discuss about that, but marketing expenses definitely you have to bear. And like a computer and the furnitures, whatever the cost for the setup of the office, so that is your responsibility, and you have to take care of them. So just I have just given the few idea. It's maybe some point is more or less something is so that we can take care of later. Next, like a previous slide, I have just explained the role and responsibility. Now understand, I have just given the minimum budget where we can how much we have to investment, and the maximum we can make a office and area that is required. So what we have to understand, like suppose we start the offices, so minimum we required around minimum 600 to 1000 square feet in between the office, and we need at least 5 to 10 computers, because now the most of the students, they also have a laptop, so they are also carrying laptop. So 5 to 10 in between is enough to start, because earlier we had started like we need to at least 20 computers, because in every classroom. So at least we can start with the 10. As we grow, maybe 1 month, 2 months, 3 months, as per the growth, we can add some computers. So because we don't want to more or expenses initially. As we get the revenue, that you can add all the resources. So I just given the idea of the minimum budget, and what we can do as per as the revenue. So suppose we will start with the 10 computers, so approx nowadays 10,000 rupees for computers. We can use second hand also with good conditions. We have already tied with some computers vendors, so we will help you out. Approx 10 to 15,000 is enough. So 1 lakh to 1.5 also. So approx we can take 1 lakh rupees. Furniture, table, chairs, approx 1 lakh rupees it will be cost. Deposit you have to pay, like depend on your area. So approx one time expenses is 2 lakhs rupees, some kind of a deposit maybe that will be included. Monthly expenses, what we have to consider, like it's rent. For example, it's a 25,000 rupees rent, and we had suppose 3 people, 1 counselor, 2 trainer, and so in that case for example 30,000, and the miscellaneous expenses is 10,000 rupees, and marketing expenses is 30,000. So we'll consider the all approx 95,000 rupees. So approx 1 lakh rupees we have a operation cost approx, so that we have to, it's every month, it's recurring, you have to spend. So this is your expenses, initial expenses, and monthly expenses. Now we consider like how much we can earn. So this is the just a brief calculation, and it's a no-brainer calculation, because we don't want to go it with that certain exactly fees, how much fees, because the CNC Web course which start from 3,000 rupees to 30,000 rupees. So we have just taken the average fees of the 10,000 rupees. For example, front-end development and PHP, Java, .NET, digital marketing, Python, software testing, approx 7 courses, because we have already more than 15 courses we are running, so we can also add that 15 courses. So what we consider in a month, approx 10 admissions, average fees is 10,000, so we can get a 1 lakh revenue for 1 courses. So suppose we are running 6 to 7 courses or 8 courses, so in that case like we can get the revenue of 7 lakhs to 8 lakhs rupees. Suppose we run the 7 courses, in that case we can run 7 lakhs rupees. If we have 8 courses, then we can earn 8 lakhs rupees. Now we'll understand the revenue. So revenue, approx 7 courses we are running, then it's 7 lakh rupees. CNC flat, they are charging 25% royalty. So it's a CNC royalty is 175k, like 1,75,000 rupees, and your earning will be 5 to 5, means 5,25,000 rupees. So this is a way of just given the idea when you want to start your franchisee. So what kind of calculation you keep in mind from what is your role and your responsibility, what would be the investment, and how you have to prepare for that and for the revenue and earning point of view. But you also understand who is eligible and who are able to get into the job. So in that case and in this business, so I'll just give you, if you have a budget to 3 to 5 lakhs rupees depending on area, so then you are eligible to start the franchisee. Second, if you are IT background, then definitely it's helpful, and you also understand how we can we can work on that technology. If you are not from IT background, still no need to worry about that. We will give you training how we can work on that, so that is also no worry about it. Next, this model I have just explained you, that is the low budget. Like if you have a low budget, then we can start. So if you have a like more budget, then that also you can work as an investor, or we will make a team for complete office resources, and just you have to take care of that like as a manager. So that also we can do, you can work as an investment also. But some case we have find the solutions as well, because some person they don't have budget of 3 lakhs to 5 lakhs in between. In that case, what they can do, still I have one options like it's online franchisee. So in that case I can give you what we can do if you want to start with the online franchisee. So we have options for online franchisee as well. So I just give you brief about that. So same courses you have to do, and let's see, there's a 2 options. You have to do marketing, and marketing we will also teach you marketing. So in that case what happen, like you have to do marketing, you have to generate leads, you have to follow up, you have to do counseling, and whatever admissions will happen, you will get the share of 33%. CNC will get the share of 67%, where they will provide the online training, assignments, project, interview, certification, and placements, and feedback and support. So these all are part of the CNC web world. So if same way, like if we consider for the online, for example, we suppose you are doing marketing. So marketing, for example, 30,000 you are spending on marketing, but 30,000 if you are spending, and we get the admissions of, for example, 30 admission, average fees we are charging, for example, 10,000. So you will get a revenue of 3 lakhs rupees. So in that case, 3 lakhs if you consider, it's around approx 1 lakh, like 99. So approx 1 lakh revenue you will get. So if you spend 30,000, you will get like approx 1 lakh rupees. So this is our offline business model, where just you have to do marketing, you have to just call, because this is a business for them, they can work from home as well. And all the marketing training we will explain you how to do marketing. We will teach you how to do Google Ads marketing, Facebook marketing, social media marketing. So that marketing will be training given by us, so that we can do. So this is the like a model, this is the business proposal just I have given to you. So if you interested, you feel that like you are eligible for this position, so I have already just given you my contact number, and you can contact on this number, and then you can go ahead. But if you feel that like you don't have budget, or you are not implement in our system, then no need to worry about that. You can go ahead with that online franchisee if you have low budget. And if you have budget of to start your own business in any city, we are open with that. You can contact us and we will definitely help you out. Thank you so much for your time. My name is Prashant. Thank you.